feel the same.
And I'm Korean.
Are they not meant to?
So these are mechanical keyboard switches. They go into mechanical keyboards, which are meant to feel nice and sound nice compared to, you know, the standard memory keyboard. So there are three types of switches. You've got linear switches, which go straight up and straight down. Clicky switches, which make an audible click with a tactile bump. And tactile switches, which have a tactile bump but aren't clicky. Keep in mind there are like a million switches you can get, but they're all one of the three types. Which one is the best though?
Oh, definitely two.
I gotta try this. I gotta try this.
That is no competition. Tell me not to. Tell me not to.
No, but like, I think I know a bit about this. Like, these ones are like really clicky, but they're like too clicky. So they're too loud. So I think I have brown, are they like, what are they called? Like,
Tactile.
that thing. I think I've got the brown one, so I'm sticking with brown.
Oh my god, keyboards. I have a fucking laptop keyboard.
That's right.
I don't have a PC.
Cherry image brown.
Alright, brown for me.
No, you didn't even touch it.
I didn't need it.
Linear, clicky, tactile.
I have bread in my teeth.
I reckon the red one. Red one's pretty
Look at this sausage. It's like high quality. It's got like melted cheese, all three sauces, some mushrooms and onions. Hello.
Alright, thank you.
Hey.
I have a laptop keyboard. Oh, sad.
Say the blue one. Please turn. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Not my fault.
Did you get that on camera? Alright, good.
They feel the same.
Oh no, you are.
What?
They feel the same.
And I'm Korean.
Are they not meant to?
No, not meant to, no.
They feel the exact same.
To make fun of
Okay.
I respect
They're all the same. Okay.
Tomato?
Which one feels the best?
Tomato as well?
Why they feel the same?
What the fuck?
Bro, it's blue.
Blue feels the
Oh yeah, blue.
Oh,
What? You said they feel the same.
You can bounce ideas off each other.
Yeah, blue.
Okay.
One of those things where we're kind of
I'm a shepherd. She's a
heaps of the homework.
The blues.
Brown. I have brown switches actually.
Oh, the middle one. It makes a sound.
Oh, this one. It's nice and clicky.
This is one.
I don't know yet.
The red one.
I think blue switches get the blue bitches. Avatar.
Alright, good. Look, did you steal that from an Airbnb hi-fi? No, I wasted $20 on eBay.
I like the blues.
I like the white.
Yo, no. I did have personal bias. I had a blue keyboard.
That's brown, actually.
The brown, yeah.
Because I know a lot of people like the blue because it's really definite up and down, but then it's so noisy that I prefer the red. Even the reds are noisy because like when I'm lecturing and I start typing code, people are always like, what keyboard does Mark use? I'm like, is it that loud? Like, I think it's because my mic, I've got a good mic and it's right next to my keyboard so people can hear when I'm typing. And they're like, oh, we want to know what my keyboard is.
Yeah.
It's like I'm a pro streamer and everyone wants to know what gear I use. It's like, no, there's no sponsorship deals. So I like the red. It's really nice.
It's not as loud.
Why does it have to be loud?
Goodbye, Johnny. I'll be back. The middle one.
Clicky one?
Yeah, because when I'm typing, I want people to know that I'm typing. They need to know that I'm at work.
Yeah. Oh, you take up all the time.
It's okay. I have skip line pass. I can go out line if you want.
Alright, well.
Okay, red. Red is the best.
Okay, red is the best. Alright, thank you. I'll
You're
go back to school.
Okay. This one's the nicest.
What? Brown's the best?
I like the middle one.
Yes!
Oh. I love soft things. If you know anyone who has soft...
Brown.
Alright, thank you. Oi, these blue switches are, these clicky ones are the most popular amongst people. So, next time you're going to get a mechanical keyboard, make sure it's a blue one because that's what everyone here recommends. Yeah, so thank you. See you next time.
Fucking hell.